Hey guys, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to hide apps on Android. So in your Android phone, go for your settings, then go for your security, and maybe your hidden app option is available here. Just go to that option and hide your choiceable apps, or if you don't have this hidden app option on your security, then go for your privacy, and you can also have this hidden app option here on your privacy. So I don't have any kind of hidden apps option on my mobile settings on my phone. Okay, so that's why if I go for Play Store and just search for that hey hide app, then you have so many hidden hide apps here, and you can install any of it and you can also use it. So yeah, that's it. Hope this video helped to you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.